If your Hyundai Elantra just clicks instead of starting, you're not alone. Push-button problems are common, but most are easy to fix. Let's get you back on the road. First, check your key fob. If the battery's dead or the fob isn't detected, your Elantra won't start. Try holding the fob closer to the start button or use the manual key hidden inside. Next, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake. The car won't start if the brake pedal isn't pressed all the way down. Still nothing? Look at your car's battery. If the lights are dim or you hear clicking, your battery might be weak or dead. Also, check for error messages on your dash, like key not detected or depress brake to start. These can give you clues. Finally, if everything looks fine and it still won't start, your starter or electrical system might need attention. Remember, most push-button issues are simple. Often just a key fob battery or a quick check of the brake. If you're stuck, call for help. And that's how you troubleshoot a Hyundai Elantra that won't start with push button.